Hi, all my kindergarten friends. Today, you're going to be using some of the new tools from your distance learning kit to play teen number bingo. So you need to get your teen number cards and the counters that we gave you. You will need just 9 counters if you want to count out how many. Okay? Now, once you have your teen number cards ready, you're going to set it up into your own bingo board. So you're going to have 3 teen numbers going across for 3 rows. And what I did is I just turned over the middle one to be upside down. So that's like your free space when you play bingo. Now my teen numbers are all out of order. I know they're upside down for you because I'm looking at it from my board, but they're all out of order. And what's going to happen is I'm going to describe a teen number to you. For example, I'm going to say the teen number I'm thinking of has a group of 10 and 5 extra ones. Then you, as the learner, have to think, group of 10, 5 extra ones. That makes the teen number 15. And then you'll take one of your counters, you'll find number 15 on your bingo board, which will look different than mine, and you'll put your counter on it. Your goal is to try to get 3 teen numbers in a row. So for here, I could get the 3 across the bottom, or I could get the 3 going up. Ooh, I should put a counter on my free space, right? There we go. I'm only 1 number away already. Look at that. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to hold up some tens frames and describe to you the teen numbers. I'm going to pause, let you find it on your board, and put a counter on it. If you don't have it on your board, oh man, but that's okay. Just wait for the next number, okay? Once you have 3 in a row, you can pause the video and yell bingo to all your family, okay? Then what you'll do is you'll put your counters away and use your extra cards that you have and kind of mix up your board and make a new board. So let's see, I'm going to move this one over here, that one over there, move it here, move it there, keeping my free space in the middle still, okay? All right, so I just made a new board. Teen numbers are in different spots. I even use new teen numbers because you're always going to have 2 extra, all right? Then you could press play on the video again and keep listening to me describe teen numbers as groups of 10s and extra ones. Or the second option is, once you've played bingo once with me on the computer, maybe you ask one of your family members to play with you. And you don't need these tens frame cards. You can just describe with your voice. This number is a group of 10 and 4 extra ones. And then your student would find 14 and put their counter on it. Okay? So 2 different ways that you can play. You can play with me. I'm about to get started here, or you can turn the video off and play with a family member. Okay, let me hold this up so you can see my face. I will pause so that you can find your number on your board, and then I will tell you the answer so you can check it. Are we ready? Okay, here we go. The first number that you're going to find on your bingo board, a group of 10 and 3 extra ones. Turn it. Oh, that is backwards. That's okay. A group of 10 and 3 extra ones. Did you find it? 13. That's right. If you found it, that's 13. Okay. Next number. A group of 10 and 8 extra ones. A group of 10 and 8 extra ones. Is it on your board? If you guessed 18, you're correct. All right. Next number. A group of 10 and 2 extra ones. This is a tricky one. A group of 10 and 2 extra ones. If you thought it was 12, you're correct. Any bingos out there yet? Here's your next number. A group of 10 and 5 extra ones. A group of 10 and 5 extra ones. Is that on your board? Let's see. Did you guess 15? If you did, you got it right. 15. Let's keep going. All right, a group of 10 and 7 extra ones. A group of 10 and 7 extra ones. Is that on your board? If you put a counter on 17, you got it right. Any more bingos out there? I hope I hear some friends shouting bingo. All right, next one. Don't get tricked on this one. Ready? A group of 10 and 0 extra ones. Think, think, think. Group of 10 and 0 extra ones. That was a hard one, but if you got 10, that's correct. A group of 10 and 0 extra ones. All right, just a few more left. I hope there's some bingos out there. All right, a group of 10 and 9 extra ones. A group of 10 and 9 extra ones. If you found 19 on your bingo board, you found the right teen number, 19. Oh, there's only 3 more numbers left. I hope you get a bingo. Ready? Okay, a group of 10 and 6 extra ones. A group of 10 and 6 extra ones. Oh, if this was 16 on your bingo board, you got it right, 16. 2 more to get your bingo, 2 more, here we go. Our group of 10 and 1 extra one. A group of 10 and 1 extra one. Do you have that? Did you put a counter on 11? Awesome work. Any more bingos? Shout loud. All right, this is the last card I have, but remember, you can always pause the video, turn it off, play with a family member, and just say the words. You don't have to have the 10 string cards like me. Here we go. Last one. A group of 10 and 4 extra ones. A group of 10 and 4 extra ones. All right, as our last team number, I hope I hear some bingos. 14. Yes, awesome work. Yay! Well, a round of applause for all of my kindergarten friends. I hope all of you got multiple bingos and yelled it loud and were really proud of yourself. Now, you can play this anytime you want. You just have to describe the teen number, saying a group of 10 and how many extra ones. Have fun and have a great day. Bye, friends. Maybe.